Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today, I almost forgot to start this, but I'm here with the screen recording, and you guys can see we got everything on the screen right here, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can cop the Nike Dunk High Game Royal off the Snkrs app for retail. Really all that it takes, what you need to do to increase your chances, and kind of everywhere where this shoe will be dropping. My resale estimation, we'll go through all the details for this. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Again, I've been posting a lot of these how-to cops lately, so if you want more content like this, just subscribe and like down below, and you know I got you guys with the videos. Just let's make the goal in this video something simple like 175 likes. I'll change it up a bit. Let's try and hit that. And yeah, that'd be dope if we could hit it, but it's not the end of the world if we don't. Just more likes you get, the more it helps the video get out there. So help your boy's channel, I guess, if you're all trying to do that. So road to 50K. Giveaway very soon. Stay tuned for that. And yeah, also on the screen, as you can see, any of my Instagram, social media stuff, that'll be down below in the description too if you want to check it. But let's just get into the video right now. So first, details about the shoe, the Nike Dunk High Game Royal. Obviously, it is dropping on June 29th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, and you guys can see the retail is $110 on the shoe. So nothing out of the ordinary. Normal Dunk High price. Women's and men's Dunk Highs are the exact same price, both $110. So after tax and everything and shipping, you'll probably be paying around $120, I have to assume, maybe a little bit more than that. I'm not really, again, I'm not expert with math, so I couldn't really tell you what it will exactly be, but it will be slightly profitable in some sizes, although resale on the shoe is not too crazy. But I have to say, out of most Dunk Highs, this is one of those classic colorway ones, so I am a big fan of it. I really like how it looks, honestly. I bet you in hand this isn't too bad of a shoe, even though sometimes Dunk High quality does lack. I'm sure these ones look pretty decent. I'm a big fan of a pair of Jordan 1s that looks a little bit like these ones in terms of the colorway. Obviously, the Jordan 1 doesn't look like a Dunk High, but the Jordan 1 Blue Storm, whatever it is, those are like $900, $1,000 now. I remember when I had a chance to buy them for like $350 back in the day. Biggest mistake was me not buying them, because now I can't find a pair in good condo for like, unless it's like $600, $700, and those are still used. So I mean, yeah, you know, this colorway, I mean, it's one of those ones that very far down the line it'll be worth a lot of money, but for now, no. I mean, it's not, there's not a hold. The shoe is not going to go up anytime soon. It's going to stay at a low value for a pretty long time, in my opinion, and I'm pretty sure there's already been a Dunk High of this colorway before, so it's just a retro of some sorts. So kind of knowing that, it's a quick flip type of shoe, unless you want it for the personal collection. I totally understand that. Again, this isn't half bad of a shoe. I think it's one of the better Dunk Highs. I mean, there's obviously many collabs out there and other shoes that put this one, you know, are way above this one, but in terms of like, I guess, a classic simple Dunk High, this one is actually pretty decent in my opinion. And don't forget, also dropping in those kid sizes, those grade school sizes, it will be profitable in these sizes also. So make sure when you're on the Snkrs drop, don't forget you can enter in adult and kid sizes at the same time. So in every account you got, make sure you're entering into grade school and adult sizes, because those grade school sizes will be profitable. So don't miss out on that profit right there, especially since they're cheaper and they're going for about the same as some of the adult sizes. I mean, yeah, you definitely want to be making sure you're entering in some of those. And they're also dropping in like some like preschool or like little, like, yeah, I think these are technically preschool sizes. So if you want to go for those, you can, but those won't resell. Only these two size runs will resell, the little kids, which is the grade school ones, and then these adult sizes. So aside from all those details, let's just kind of hop in the resale right now. I'll explain that for a pretty long time right there. So looking at it resale on the adult sizing right now, it's looking like it's around a range of like 160 to 195, I'd say. You got a couple a little bit over 200, like a 12 and a half and stuff like that. But if you look at all the recent sales, let's just check them. I mean, yeah, the shoe is not, it's not going for much, you know, 165, 180, whatever you want to say. I mean, there's a couple sales in that 150 range, and there'll be a lot more towards that range once the drop again happens. I'm sure there'll be a lot more pairs heading closer towards 150, 140. So my resale estimation on the shoe, actually, once all the pairs release, I personally think all the sizes will be going for a round of range, and I'm not talking about grade school sizes. We'll get into that in a sec, but I think all the sizes will be going for around a range of 135 to 160, and I will put a plus in the 160 because I think a couple of those bigger sizes above a size 10 maybe could be staying closer to 200 or like 180, something like that. But just, yeah, that's kind of my resale estimate right there. Nothing too crazy. I really don't think this is like a huge money shoe. It's more of a, if you get it for the personal type of thing, like the Crimson Tint Dunk High. And Dunk Highs really haven't been that hot in the resale. I mean, they just never, you know, I don't know why. People don't like the Dunk Highs as much as the Dunk Low. You know what I mean? So if you're a skater and you skate Dunk Highs, congrats, you got a pair close to retail. That ain't too bad. So another one, also the grade school sizing of this one. Don't forget, as I said, some of the grade school sizes are doing pretty decent on resale. You pay 90 bucks for them after taxes and everything. It's probably like 100 bucks. So I mean, look, if you get some of these bigger sizes like 5.5Y through 7Y and they're going for around 150, you can make $50 on the shoe, which is pretty good considering on the adult sizes you probably won't even make that much unless you're getting an 11 plus, which you'd have to get a little bit lucky to do. So aside from that, when you're looking into the grade school sizes, my full estimation for the full size run, all of them, I think these grade school sizes will be going for around 120 to 140, and I will put a plus in the 140 also because, again, I do think that since there's been a consistent amount of sales, these have been out for a bit, you know, there's been a decent amount. I think they could not drop also after the US release. I do think they could just stay at where they're at right now. That is possible, but in my opinion, these ones are going to drop just because, again, dunk highs are not hyped and they're just, the demand isn't there. It really isn't. So aside from that, kind of knowing that factor and everything about it, let's get into discussing a couple of other factors. A beautiful stutter right there, but a couple other factors really in how you guys would cop off the Snkrs app. Now, you've been here on the channel before, you already know I'm going to discuss, and don't worry, as I mentioned in pretty much every how to cop lately, the updated Snkrs tip video is coming soon. I promise y'all, I will plan it over this beach vacation I got coming up. Actually, when this video comes out, since I'm filming it in advance, I'll be planning the video pretty much since I'll be on that vacation when this video is out. So just stay tuned for the updated Snkrs tip video. This is a whole how to cop, like this is a whole guide right here, and this won't change until Snkrs really updates their full thing, you know what I mean? Everything here will still apply to Snkrs right now, but there's definitely a few tips I can give because I've learned some things, of course, with using the app more. So if you don't know how to make multiple accounts in Snkrs, this video will show you. It's at the top of the description, and don't forget, having 5 accounts to enter in a drop is way better than having 1. So this video kind of explains why, and then shows you how to make like 5 accounts, 10 accounts, however many you need to make manually. They got you. So aside from that, yeah, I think that's really everything I need to mention with the how to cop on Snkrs part right there. But also want to give a huge shout out to my guys at Secret Sauce right here, and they are a $60 monthly fee, but this is a code group that can actually help you get a release just like this one right here, since this drop, this Nike Dunk High Game World drop, is actually dropping on many foot sites as well, such as Finish Line, Foot Locker, JD Sports. You know, they got reservations going on for them. But a group chat like this could actually help you secure it off the foot site, since they have bot providers within the chat that can actually secure releases for you. And I'll show you guys some of the success that's been going on recently. You see, I've been showing it in some of the recent videos. I mean, of course, they even have, I think, their own Instagram dedicated to success, or they used to. It may have gotten deleted, or not Instagram, Twitter, but you can see there's always people copping. They can really show you how to start getting stuff, how to start reselling, and of course their tickets can come in handy within the group chat. So how that would work is their whole ticket or slot system, as you can see it says right here, is once you're in the chat, they have a section called tickets, which is slots, and once you go into the ticket section, it actually can take you to this website, and it shows you all the tickets that they have going on right now within Secret Sauce, the paid and free ones. So a paid ticket, how it would work is that once you enter in the ticket, whatever, make sure you read before too, because with the paid tickets, if if they get the item for you, then you got to pay them whatever fee they said after. So make sure you don't forget that. Make sure you're able to pay the fee that they say after if they copy the item, because you want to make sure you don't get banned from the chat, because I'm pretty sure if you don't pay the pay after success fee on the paid slots, you can get in some trouble there. But another thing I want to mention too is that the free slots, those are for any members in the chat. So if you're just paying the monthly fee, then you can enter in the tickets that they have for free on the website, and those can be going on for, like, I had some free ones. They had some free ones going on for the Yeezy slides, and I'm gonna keep going on with the stutters right there. I'm not gonna cut those out of the video because I want some people to have some laughs right here. But yeah, just really, that's what Secret Sauce can do, and they're 100% legit. How you would enter in a ticket, again, it's a Google form. You put in your shipping and payment info, they put it into the bots, and then they cop the releases for you, and it's 100% safe. All they look at your info for is to put it into the bots and then get releases for you. Again, I don't know what is going on, but again, yeah, I use these guys weekly, so do not worry about that, and they're 100% safe and legit. They've caught me plenty of stuff, and I can vouch for them pretty much any time, and their success on their Twitter can even vouch for them too. So that's really all I gotta say right there. If you want to get into the chat, again, just go send them a message on Twitter, be like, yo, Tristan sent me, how can I get into the chat? I'm interested, I want to cop some more stuff, learn about resale, learn about botting, whatever it may be, and they can kind of show you the way right there. So another thing too, also, if you don't get a response back on their Twitter, then you can go to their Instagram too and be like, yo, or actually no, don't DM them on Instagram, just wait until they drop invites again. They do that on their website, and they'll update you on the Instagram. So couple other things I'll link down below. Aside from my massive stutter fest right there, we will leave all of that in there. Well, probably cut some of it out because it will just be hectic to edit. But yeah, right here, this Raffles Snkrs article and this House of Heat article right here, both of these will be linked down below. And the Raffles Snkrs article right here, this will show you all of the locations that is raffling off this dunk high. And you can see there is wow, okay, there is, yeah, Jesus. Yeah, go enter in the raffles. Okay, this is the most raffles I've seen in a while for a dunk. So there's going to be a fair amount of stock. So go enter in some raffles. That would be linked down below. It's like a second chance. Don't forget. Much easier than, you know, I guess a footside drop if you put it like that. But footside drops, you should go for those too. And then don't forget, this House of Heat article will be linked down below, showing you guys all the foot sites that will be dropping this release. You can see Finish Line, Foot Locker, as I mentioned, JD Sport. And don't forget Secret Sauce. Since they're running bots, they can help you cop a release like this one. So that's really all they got to say. You know, Finish Line saying they have it coming. So I mean, House of Heat's right, and that's really everything I need to mention. And that's how you guys can cop the Nike Dunk High Game Royal off the Snkrs app, and kind of the other places we'll be dropping, the other people that can help you out too with copping it. And I think I now know why I'm stuttering so much, is because this is my third video I'm recording today. I have to record plenty of videos in advance for vacation, you know what I mean? So that's how it is. So probably a little tired. So if you guys want more content like this, again, just feel free to subscribe and like down below. I really appreciate it. Again, the goal in this video, I know I said it was 175 likes. So if we could hit that, that'd be dope. And don't forget any of my Instagrams, Discord stuff, all of it is in the description. It is down below. So do not worry. Well, obviously don't worry, but yeah, that is just there if you want to check it out. And yeah, any questions you have down below, any comments, concerns, whatever it may be, leave it there. I'll be there to answer it. And yeah, that's really all I got to say. So I'm going to end the screen recording, and I think that's all, you know, that needs to be mentioned. So I'm Tristan. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.